Along with the rest of the country, Shillong observed the week for Financial Literacy Week 2023 at Hotel Taj Vivanta, Shillong. The Financial Literacy Week, which kick-started today, will end on 17 of February 2023. The theme of this year is Good Financial Behavior, Your Savior. The theme aligns with the overall strategic objectives of the National Strategy for Financial Education 2020-25, which aims at building financial resilience and well-being while creating awareness among members of public. Focus will be on creating awareness about savings, planning and budgeting and prudent use of digital financial services. Speaking on the occasion as the Chief Guest Commissioner and Secretary Finance Department Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Vijay Kumar said that more awareness should be done, especially in the rural areas where farmers are discouraged to take loan from the bank because they will have to pay high rate of interest. He also asked the concerned department to create awareness about financial fraud and asked to create a demand for financial assistance so that people will come forward to avail the financial schemes.